Yeah, let's get started on this, whatever it's called. I can't remember. Some relay switch. Yeah. I got LED work lights, which are all down there. I haven't mounted them yet. I have to do this first. Light bar, other light bar, off-road lights, rear lights, zombie lights. I have no idea what I'm gonna do for that. Find out. Alright. On the back sides of these switches, there's like 5 different pins on each. Can you still see? My screen turned off. It says it's still recording. Yeah, there's 5 different switches on each. All the ones on this side, the ones all in a line like that by themselves, all ground. All the ones on this side in a line. Let's get a pointer thingy. The screwdriver. That'll work. Oh, it's not there anymore. Where'd I put my screwdriver? Just had it. Oh, I'm sitting on it. Get this thing to point. So this one is power coming in, and then it's daisy chained to all the other ones, including this display thing. All of them. You can see it. Originally, every single positive was together, but I separated them because I want this side to the right side here, or to the left side. The right side is the lights on the bottom, and the top side would be the lights on the top. Since I did it this way, they're separated. I'm going to have this one go to the courtesy lights. I'm going to hook it right up to that, so when I open any of the doors, this bottom row of lights will go on. When I turn on the dash lights or headlights, running lights, that'll turn on. And until I flip the switch, these ones will turn on, the other ones. So for clarification, the right side here, so this red and this black on the right side of the thing are for the bottom lights. And on the left side here, got these 3. One's for the lights, and the other one is out power. Power comes in, flip on the switch, the light goes on, and power comes out here. Go on to your lights, or whatever you want to hook it up to. And I am going to take this wire. Might not be enough because I have a bunch of things to connect it to. Take these little terminal things. I don't know what they're called. Put them in here and just run them all the way to each and every single light. That'll be fun. I'm not going to record any of that. I'll record when I'm done. See ya. Yeah, both on high. Gets warm in here quick with them both on like that. TV works. I've been playing Xbox on it, playing Minecraft mostly. Yeah, sure, I'll show you. Ignore the mess. Still working on it. Jeez. No signal. Yeah, that's because it's turned on. Give it a bit. Put the fish back on the stove. Something. There you go, you can see it now. That's all you need to see. What else? LEDs stopped working. I have them unplugged right now. Right! Big thing! Let's go under here. You can see it well enough. Got the inverter mounted up here. The electrical cord going into the wall there. All the way out underneath. You can see it there. Underneath here. And all the way down under there. Oh, it's covered up. Oh well. Believe me. What else? Is that it? I think that's it. Oh, blanket, obviously, but it's not mine. See, I got my phone charging over there. So you know the outlets work. Suppose I should also tell you about this countertop I installed. There's a hair on it. Yeah, I've shown you in pictures, but I haven't shown you in action this thing. So on this side we got this little thing that usually is supposed to be in those dowels. It's still have to shave it out a little bit. It's really, really tight. Over here we got this little thing. Just clamps it shut so it doesn't move at all during transit. You can see this fancy white, whatever it is. This comes up. Let me set you down. Cannot set you down. You're just gonna have to put your. You are now holding it. And this thing, you can see it. Comes around, goes in. It's supposed to go in more than that, but I still have to shave it down. And now, go to full countertop with no legs, so I can move my feet around freely without kicking anything and knocking it over. Ignore that. Over here, got my little storage cubby for my pot. I'm gonna make a nicer cubby here. And it's gonna hold everything better. But I want to still have access to the heater. It doesn't like to work all the time when I have to fix it. Anywho, yeah, everything is sealed, painted with a sealant, that stuff, and then these tops are covered in, what do I think this is called? And that's not easy to get out. Pops right down like that. It does have issues because the subwoofer's right there. This will, I will put some foam or something there when I go over that, and I'll probably put some in here as well as in these ones, because as you know, the subwoofer is right there. Make a big bass. Should I leave that in? Oh yeah, I suppose I should also show being held up by these little blocks. They smell nice. Yeah. Yeah. You see the hose going down to the propane. Don't look at my donut trash can. And we are back again with a giant mess. But you know what that means. I've done something big. I don't know if you can see it back there. There's wire going all the way to that little piece of wood in the back. Means big boy light bar progress. It's super bright. It's not connected to the switches yet. We just connected it directly to the battery to test it. It works. I'm gonna connect it to the switch panel, which is in the back, and put that in that big hole I made. You'll see it when it's done. I'm putting a smaller light bar on right now. You can see it in the front. And I'll be back when I'm done. Yo, chickity check it. It's in. You can see both of them from here. It's really awkward. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like 5 different things that the little nut has to go, the little screw bolt thing has to go through. And it goes all the way up in there. I don't know, I just kind of randomly put it in. Yeah. I haven't connected it yet to the light. Obviously. That's not what I'm not looking forward to that. But it does look dope / fresh AF from here with all the big lights. I was trying to figure out a place I can put these things. I got 4 of them in total. So I could put a few different spots I was looking at. Either my number 1 spot, just take out the siren here, pop these suckers in, it'll fit. Or I could put them down here, 2 on each side, but then there would be a lot of lights on my bumper, and I don't know about that. Another spot I was looking at was have them up here on the hood. It's hard to hold these like that, staggered, of course. I also thought maybe here, but that just looks funny. I also thought, hold up, I'm gonna adjust these. Yeah, like up here. How does that look? Maybe something like that. If you got any ideas, be sure to let me know, because I'm not putting these in yet. I have no idea where I want them. Just let me know.